Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Safari not loading the websites properly after the iOS 16.1.1 update. So note this guys, that this problem is usually happening for the users that are on the 16.1.1 update. So first of all, you could just try, just if it's not loading, you can try deleting and restarting, and if it's still not loading, then I suggest that you try updating your app store, updating Safari from your app store. Let me see. So there doesn't seem to be any update here, but what you really want to do is you need to update your iOS to 16.2. So I just recently got it. I went to my general, I went to my software update, and then there was an update pending, and I just pressed download and install, and then after some time it was ready to install, and I installed it, and everything is working just perfectly. So I should just show you that it is on 16.2 actually, right? So that is what the problem was for some users. So this should fix it. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.